Filmora versus Kling AI video tools. Choosing the right AI video editor can transform how you create professional content without complex workflows. Filmora offers user-friendly editing, while Kling focuses on AI-powered creative enhancements. Filmora and Kling are both AI-driven video editing tools, but their core difference lies in focus. Filmora combines traditional editing features with AI assistance for ease of use, while Kling emphasizes advanced AI creativity to generate unique visual effects and enhancements automatically. Filmora is a comprehensive video editing software designed for creators who want powerful tools with an intuitive interface. It integrates AI features like auto reframing, scene detection, and smart background removal to simplify editing tasks. Filmora works by providing a timeline-based editor where users can drag and drop clips, apply AI effects, and export videos in various formats. Its strengths include ease of use, a rich library of effects, and compatibility with multiple platforms. However, while AI features enhance productivity, some advanced creative controls remain manual, which might limit users seeking fully automated AI workflows. Filmora is ideal for content creators, marketers, and educators who want a balance between traditional editing and AI-powered assistance without steep learning curves. For those who prefer hands-on editing with AI support, Filmora delivers a reliable and versatile solution. Kling is an AI-first video tool focused on automatic creative video generation and enhancement. It leverages cutting-edge AI models to analyze footage and apply artistic effects, dynamic transitions, and stylized filters without requiring manual input. Kling works by uploading raw video or images, after which the AI generates polished outputs that emphasize aesthetics and innovation. Its strengths lie in speed, creativity, and automation, making it suitable for users who want standout visuals with minimal effort. However, Kling offers fewer traditional editing controls and may not suit those needing detailed timeline editing or precise adjustments. Ideal users include social media influencers, digital artists, and brands aiming for quick, eye-catching content that leverages AI creativity. Kling excels when creativity and automation outweigh the need for granular editing, providing a fresh approach to video production through AI innovation. Comparing Filmora and Kling reveals different strengths depending on your workflow. Filmora suits users who want a familiar editing environment enhanced by AI features, perfect for projects requiring precise cuts, layering, and manual adjustments alongside AI tools. It balances control and automation well. Kling, on the other hand, prioritizes rapid AI-driven creativity, ideal for generating visually striking videos quickly without traditional editing skills. If you need detailed edits and versatility, Filmora is preferable. For fast, creative outputs with minimal input, Kling stands out. Trade-offs include Filmora's steeper learning curve versus Kling's limited manual control. Real-world, Filmora fits video creators producing tutorials, ads, or presentations, while Kling is best for social posts, promos, or artistic clips where AI creativity leads. Choose Filmora if you want a powerful, user-friendly editor with AI support that balances manual control and automation for diverse video projects. Opt for Kling when you need fast, AI-powered creative video generation without complex editing. It's perfect for social media and artistic content that demands innovation and speed. Both tools excel, so your choice depends on how much control versus automation you prefer.